How long have you been a refrigerator raider?
I've been a refrigerator raider for the past 15 years.
What was your first raid like?
It was exhilarating. I was over my friend Rita's house, and all she had was yogurt and Special K in a refrigerator. And I was just all on it.
What's the most common item you raid?
Oh, that's a tough one. I would have to say a combination of Doritos and Fritos.
How often do you raid?
Every day.
Only once a day?
No. That's the good thing about it. I do it like 5 times a day. 'Cause I have a lot of friends.
Does your family know?
No, of course not.
Have you ever been caught?
No.
Do you ever plan on telling anyone?
I just told you, right?
Are there any downsides?
No. Well, yeah. But I can't think of them right now.
Anything else you want to add?
I absolutely love the color of that shirt you have on. It looks like a big bowl of Fruit Loops. I like Fruit Loops.